guys, it's Miss Casey. Today I'm going to explain to you how to record your voice so that you can respond to your teacher's discussion questions on Canvas out loud. So sometimes in Canvas, your teacher is going to post some information and she might ask you a question and ask you to post a reply. On some of your weekly goals sheets, I put that you had the option to respond out loud or orally. It's really easy to do this in Canvas. So what you want to do is click Reply, and it's going to open this box for you. When you scroll down on this menu, you're going to click this button right here that says Record Upload Media. When you click it, it's going to start right here. Hit Start Recording, and you're going to get a countdown. Now you can start recording your voice to answer the question that your teacher asked. When you've recorded everything and answered the question, click Finish. Now it's finished recording your voice. You have some choices. Click right here to preview what you recorded, and it will let you hear what you said. If you're not sure that it sounds right or you don't think you answered the question quite right, click Start Over, and it will start right back at the beginning with the countdown, and you can re-record your answer. If you've listened back and you think your answer sounds great, then just click Save, and the reply will post to your teacher's reply box, and she'll be able to go in and listen to your discussion answer and give you a grade for your discussion question. Hope that helps. Have a great time.